Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be getting into the Ford Maverick and how to install the Boomba Racing motor mount. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by removing the front skid plate section. This will be 8 T30 Torx bolts and 2 13mm bolts. Next, we'll remove the main skid plate. You only need to loosen the 2 bolts towards the rear. Remove the 4 bolts towards the front. Locate and remove the exhaust support bracket. Remove the wishbone mount. Remove the main motor mount. Prepare the Boomba Racing motor mount and provide a 21mm nut. Install the Boomba main mount. Do not tighten the bolts yet. Install the Boomba wishbone mount. Keep bolts only finger tight. Reinstall the exhaust support bracket and tighten down all bolts. Reinstall the main skid plate. Reinstall the front skid plate section. And you're done! Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all new Boomba products and announcements.